Oh, really good. Holy moly. Spices on point, taste is on point, colors on point, char is on point, tender, juicy, everything. Wow.
Today I'm going to show you a recipe that's really special to me. I've had it my entire life from childhood to now.
We're going to make tandoori chicken, but we're going to use the sous vide to help us because that would deliver the juiciest chicken without any stress.
You can prepare a lot of them in advance, and when you're ready, it's already cooked and you just put on the grill to get the char.
If you're new to Kind of Cooking, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you get all our new videos.
The first thing we're going to do is sous vide our chicken.
We're going to add some salt, some lemon juice to tenderize, some garam masala for extra flavor, and some kashmiri chili powder to add that signature red color in there, and obviously a little kick.
Put spice on both sides of your chicken. We're just going to mix it up a bit, spread it around. Just make sure to have your chicken in one layer as much as possible. We want to make sure all of it is fully pasteurized, fully cooked, because sous vide depends on thickness and time.
For beautifully tender chicken thighs, we're going to sous vide this at 155 Fahrenheit for 1.5 to 2 hours. So the chicken has come out the sous vide and we have chilled it a bit and it's ready for even more spice.
Although we put a little bit of spice in here already, that's not really the tandoori flavor. That's just for me to give it a little. We have yogurt going in. Yogurt going in. We have yogurt going in. We have a bit of lemon juice, turmeric. This is ginger and garlic together. With your ginger and garlic, you're going to want to put the garlic through your press or chop it really finely, but the best thing is to grate it. And same with the ginger, the best way is to grate it. Now this is garam masala. This one is cumin. And this is something.
It's kasuri methi.
Okay. And now the most iconic part, the red. This is again Kashmiri chili powder. Some people like to use food coloring, but we're going to skip that step today. A lot of people put a lot more yogurt than I do. I don't really care for the yogurt so much, and I prefer to taste the other things. So now we're going to add our chicken into this and cover it completely.
Make sure everything is covered with a nice thick paste. Almost forgot, need to add some oil on before we grill. Good?
Yeah, good. Thank you. Forgot the oil.
Let's grill it.
I cannot tell you how good this smells right now. Okay, you really smell the char. It smells so good. Chicken is so juicy.
You get the char, you get that little bit of kick of the spice.
Oh man, that's good. If you like this recipe, check out our General Tso's chicken recipe. That one is to die for.
I'm gonna make a little.
Oh wow, you went all out.
Yeah, I mean, like, what's the point of? I mean, it is decor, but may as well eat it. More, please.
If you want to see the recipe for this, check out our Instagram, kind of_cooking.